Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, how are you doing today? What are you building? Well, I just built Moana's Ocean Voyage set for 1150, and the live stream is available that you can view me actually building this set. And now it's time to review it. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so we have the little catamaran, if you want to call it that, or outrigger. And over to the side we have Moana. We have Hey the rooster, and we have Maui over there as well. It was a rather large figure, but it's really cool. We have some coconut heads right here that do shoot after them and go after the heart of Tafiki. And right now the heart of Tafiki is where it should be. But let's just say it was taken by Maui years ago, and now Moana is trying to restore it. So the lava god is not very happy, and it is spewing lava all over the place. This, until it is restored, we're going to have an angry lava god on our hands. So without further ado, Hey is hopping around here, and he's got the heart of Tafiki. Well, Moana has the map trying to find Maui. Well, she does eventually find Maui, and they restore the heart of Tafiki. Just like so. Whoopsie. And all is restored back to natural balance. Okay, so that being said, let's just have a quick look at this. I really like this waterfall set, and it turns around so you can have either two of the Polynesian gods sticking out here. It has some beautiful palm trees on the side using the old palm leaves. They should have had a bush come down here instead of the tan 1x1 round. That would have finished that one off and that one. Something to do for a modification someday if I can get some beige bushes. We'll look at the minifigures close up in just a second. So all in all, this right here, the little island, is pretty neat. You have a little coconut head shooter, and they like to shoot coconuts off like that at Moana on her boat when they're trying to get the heart. And of course, Moana's boat, or raft, or outrigger, whatever you want to call it, it's a nice little build. Lots of parts on it, really cool. Love the pineapple, nice added touch to it. This is a fabric sail. It is not a plastic one, so that's neat. Although there are stickers for these boards. I don't know why they didn't use the printed wood tiles that they have. And they have another printed tile here for like a rug or a mat that she sits down on or stands or whatever you would like to call it. Lots of flowers there, a very nice Polynesian feel to this whole set. And of course another sticker on the side. I'm going to review Maui just on the table here. I'm just going to review Maui as he is here. Very nice printed figure. It has the nice big staff made out of Lego, of course. And he is movable, and his hands to move side to side. So his hands move up and down. His legs do not. It kind of reminds me of the Hulk or the Rock guy. Speaking of the Rock guy, the Rock actually plays Maui in the movie. So and now we shall go on to Moana and Hey. So starting off with Moana, she comes with a printed 2x2 tile of the stars and where to find Maui and the heart Tafiki. I love the printed shirt she has, and the fact that there was a new mold made for her hair is really neat. She's printed all the way around, and I love the little skirt. It's kind of molded right onto the legs as well. Now she also has a flower in her hair, which makes it really cool as well. Now her little rooster friend Hey is kind of just, well, he's kind of upset looking for some reason. So maybe he wanted something for himself. I'm not really sure. But this is a unique element. It was made for this particular set, and I hope they use it in many more sets to come as well. But that's just a quick look over at Moana and Hey Hey. There's one more thing to discuss about this, and let's do that right now. It says right on this box that this boat does not float. I want to check that theory out. I'm not suggesting that you should all do this, but it is only Lego, and Lego, it doesn't matter if it gets wet or not. We wash a lot of it anyway, so let's just give this a try. Okay, so we have our tub of water. So, first things first, they say the boat does not float. Well, let's see if it does, or does not. Let's put it in. Success. It does float to a certain degree. It does pretty much sink down right to the level of the plates on that. But as you can see, it does float. Now, that being said, let's put Moana on it and see if that makes any difference. Still floats. Still floats. Okay, let's add on Hey Hey. And it's still floating. Okay, one more to add on. Yes. Valley, let's see if it floats now. I'm gonna think it's gonna sink, but heck it. Let's just see. If I can get his big feet in there. You know what? Let's just do it this way. Let's put the boat down. Let's put him on top. Whoa! He just sank the boat. Too heavy. Because he just doesn't want to float himself. So, that's okay. There's some water in it, and we just drain that out. And off we go. And now he's looking kind of upset down the bottom that he made the boat sink. Anyway, that myth has just been busted that does not float. So, it does float. And that's odd because that's the first package I've ever seen that printed on that the boat does not float. Yes, there are some boats that do not float and should not be put in the water. This one here, it kind of does float. So, have no fear, it is only Lego. You can't hurt it. With that being said, I will be off to another review very shortly, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below and help build this channel bigger and better every single day. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it. See you soon.